name of the channel. It's Rolling with Rock. If you like riding, wrenching, and a whole lot of fun, come on in, kick back, relax. We got the great Ghost ready to do his thing. So with that being said, enjoy the video and I'll be right back. All right, so it's a beautiful day. We're gonna finish this up so we can put this bike on the road. But we got everything right now tested, we're good. So at this point, we are ready to start tightening everything back up. I did get the torque specs on the bolts that go into the headlight. They did recommend putting it on Loctite. So we got Loctite. Let's get it started. Okay, we got these two on the bottom out. Do a little Loctite on these and get them back up in there. So that's the saying, go with a dab will do ya. Just a little dab. Don't even try to play here. There you go, it's a dab. So with that, as it gets screwed in, it will thread. This is an inch pound. There's foot pound and inch pound. This is inch pound. So it was 120. So first thing we do is just make sure it's all the way to the bottom. And then we just start turning it up till we get to 120. All right, that was good. Glad I had this for a minute. All right, let's get our next one going. Okay. All right, so we're done with this. Put the Loctite up and down. And let's just clean this up a little bit. Okay, now we got that done. Let's start messing with these lowers. Right there, that's where the lowers come on. So let's get these lowers on here. Slide this way. I'll start with this side first. Or if I drop one more time. This is true. It can be for you. It can be for you. When you make it love and tears don't fall, I'm telling you, you got to get Green is good. It'll make you cry. It'll make you cry. Got everything here. So now, as you can see see my wire here? This is just gonna go right down there. And then we're gonna mount that new LED here, and the wire's gonna go underneath there, underneath this bracket, and back along the side. So, here's our screw. Alright, so I'm gonna have to loosen up this right here because I need to get a little wiggle room. Oh, that was hex, wasn't it? Alright, so we got a little bit of wiggle. Use a little bit more. Okay, a little challenging, but we'll figure it out. So,